Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier. I'm gonna put some music in the background. Breakcore fix mix for mental healing? Should be fine. Oops. Let's see if I can 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Test. 1, 2, 3 test. Test. 1, 2, 3 test. Okay, it's way too... Okay, so the desktop audio is too loud. So I have to put it at like -30. Let me try this. I'll lower this for my own mental being. And 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Yes. Oh wait, this isn't even working. What? It's not recording the music. Okay, I think this works. Okay. It's time to learn game programming. This is my current build. Gonna put this on the side so I can see what you guys are doing. There you go. This works. Wow, it's working, guys. Alright. Very well. Now, I'm going to change the title of the thing. Peeta Griffin does his coding C with with NVIm, because I'm a gamer. Of course, gaming, and it's going to be Family Guy video game. I don't care if that doesn't work, honestly. Change the thing. Maybe have like a better picture here. Peeta Griffin. Sure, you know what? Great thumbnail. No, I love this. I love this thumbnail. Yeah. Family Guy video game. There you go, Peeta Griffin. Okay, so what are we doing here? What do we got here? Main.c. Got a bunch of stuff. Oh my god. I'm gonna open this so I don't have to close that another time. I'm gonna do this for like 40 minutes. And CD build so I can do Ninja, and it just works, right? And I can just that has that's There's the reason why that is. We're gonna have multiple things now. And I have to hear tutorials, so I'm not gonna have music in.
The last video went over, so I wanted to go ahead and split this up and not rush like I always do to get through the second half of it, which talks about drawing fonts and drawing text on the screen using SDL. I'm just quickly learning it's becoming a real pain to get these videos under 15 minutes apiece because programming is just so involved that there's a lot to talk about. Nonetheless, getting into drawing fonts, as I showed you guys in the last lesson, we split the program up into header files, main.h, main.c, status.h, status.c, and I moved all the structures into main.h, also some of the bigger includes. We now include SDL TTF, a new API framework for loading and drawing fonts into SDL textures. So then what I did was I included that. I added a TTF font reference to our game
state. Yeah, you did this on main.h.
Main game struct, which holds the font that we've loaded, a generic label texture, which we've...
Oh my god, there's so much shit going on now. I go back. I have to now do another NVIm here. And it's main.h now. Oh my god. It's too much. Too many things.
We will set equal to whatever string we want to draw, since for the sake of this tutorial there will only be one label on the screen or being drawn at a time. That'll be a texture image. Then what I went ahead and did was I loaded the font, which was a call inside load game to game font equals TTF open font, crazy pixel.
Load game. TTF font. Okay.
The TTF, which is our font file, 48 pixel size. And then I also added a call to TTF quit, or no, sorry, I added a call to TTF init to initialize the font system, and then I added a call to TTF quit out when we're done. And then of course I unload the font.
There's TTF init. Oh, there's TTF init. There's TTF plus font, TTF quit.
Loaded, this is when the game loop was quitting and the game's exiting, and I unload the font. And then of course, if the label has been set, starts out as null, but if it has been set, we go ahead and destroy the label and give it a switch back here. I also added a couple game states, which the games can now be set in various states, and I will affect the processing and the drawing of the game based off of which state it's in. We start out in the live status screen state, which is the Mario status screen, for the first 2 seconds of the game. So I made sure that these nice functions inside of status.c get called at the appropriate time. So inside init, status files, we're going to create our label, and I have some nice code here that I'm going to steal. That'll do it. So I'm going to draw the label in white. The label can be whatever you want to say here. I'm just going to set the words for now. And I'm going to go ahead and create a texture from the surface. So TTF render text blended will actually render the text to an SDL surface. I'll create one too.
Alright, so it's basically this, right? So if I do CD build Ninja C gaming, it's still gonna have the same thing, right? And then you go, and it's gonna say it works, right? No, it's not gonna say it works. So it's not this. Oh, it says it once at the beginning. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? And then, well, actually, since we're gonna do the no alternate file, right? So space S F, yeah, and that would be status.c here. Now I can do Control 6 for that. And now I can go to CD build, and I don't have to worry about that shit. And I'll just do this. Oh, okay, we have 2 files. What is this guy saying?
Create a temporary surface. Then we're going to set our game state label equal to the texture we create from the surface, which is great. And then we're going to free the surface.
Okay, so what I'm seeing here basically is this guy just makes a background instead of it being black like we saw there at the beginning. It's white. And then it says surface into temporary TTF render text blended game font woods. Okay, he's just doing a test here and he's making it into white. Oh, he's just calling a color. He's not saying anything about the surface. Game state label equals SDL create texture. What is render text? What? No memory. Named font in game state. Pretty sure I put a font here. DDF font. Oh, because it's not font, it's font texture. There you go. And this is this from surface under TMP. What happened? What happened? And then HDL free surface TMP. HDL destroy. Why is he doing this? Texture TMP text. What? None of these exist. Okay, so he made it for surface here. Render text blended game font textures words is literally just rendering white text saying words. Gap state label. Create texture from surface render TMP. Render what? What about it? Tag now found render. Because I don't call it game state, I call it game, you fuck. And he puts here game font, and then here he puts game state label, and then he has game. This guy is fucking stupid as shit.
You don't need it anymore, and keep the texture around so we can draw it. So that should not fail, but it should.
Why is he putting? What is he doing?
Oh yeah, that's right. I need the renderer, and that's inside the game state. I'm just gonna go ahead and call this game up here. I'm lazy and I don't like typing a lot of words, so inside of function prototypes and arguments, I'm going to rename game state to game. And good, let's see. So okay, we've initialized.
Okay, he's not. He's fucking stupid. I swear.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to destroy. I'm going to try to destroy the texture. For some reason I can't. Code provisions annoying me. I'm going to destroy the texture. Just say I'm done with it.
Text.
And it's important to note that I need to set this to null because I optionally free it when the game quits as well, so that'll prevent me from doing that. Now that I have the stuff that I need to initialize, we can actually draw it. So the status screen is going to be very similar to the main game screen in the sense I'm going to clear it to a background color. So this is the main game rendering screen, which is now when we ran at the game state.
This label texture is
instead of having a blue background, this is going to be black to become a Mario-like. And I'm going to render the black, and then I'm going to render our font somewhere around the center of the screen. And I don't know if I need to set this to white, but it wouldn't hurt in case it wants to tint our drawing or texture. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to white, but it wouldn't hurt in case it wants to tint our drawing.
What is this guy doing, bro? SDL set render draw color. Well, this makes this white. Render 0 255. Clear the screen. SDL render clear renderer. Set the drawing color to white. Why? I don't know. SDL set render draw color. And 255. Okay.
Texture. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the text. So I'm going to draw the text. I'm going to give it an XY position somewhere close to the center. My guess is that's going to be around 320 and 240 minus the width of the texture, which I don't think I have. Crap. me check something real quick. There's really not. Let me just grab access to the renderer. So that.
What the fuck? Wish he would be able to explain these, but okay. Text null, text rect. That's great. Still doesn't know.
I wanted to see if I can access the width from the texture as I try to draw this. Looks like I cannot do that. Alright, I can access the width and height from an STL surface, but I can't from a texture, which is kind of annoying me. So I'm just going to guess, because I don't feel like dealing with this right now.
I don't feel like... oh my god, this guy's horrible at fucking teaching. This guy's fucking horrible at teaching. Sorry, bro, but... damn, I don't feel like this right now. Man, why are you doing this video? I don't feel like doing it. Okay, I guess.
That should be enough.
Why 20? Why minus 20 over 2? Why did he do this? Why? I don't know. Okay, whatever. He does this because he said so, I guess.
Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and call the draw function for our texture, which is a label. Good to see. All right, I'm going to run this for the first time, and all right, there's our texture. I just realized.
Bruh. Okay, this is supposed to work apparently. Okay. I don't know. Game label. Because it's label texture. Alright. Words. Super Mario! It's Super Mario, guys. So I guess I can just change this and it works. Yeah. Randomly put that thing there. And what if I make it 120? What happens? Yeah. And what if I make this 220? Oops, my bad. What happens? What happened? That works perfectly. Fortnite. So if I put Fortnite here, it's going to say Fortnite. Maybe I'm going to put Fortnite in there. Fortnite. And maybe I'm going to put 120 here. Yep, Fortnite. We see that we have a Fortnite in our game now. Fortnite. Yep, great.
Realize something. Without the width and height being correct, it's going to stretch the image, so we have to keep track of what that was. And the easiest way for me to do that is to add it right under the label in our game state struct. Label width, label height.
Oh my god. Okay. So in our main H, we're going to have to make our width int label width int label height.
In our game state struct, label width, label height, and then save the.
Didn't we? Yeah, we did this with the. I'm gonna do it with lowercase. If you already put it with lowercase, why are you putting this with uppercase?
Those.
This guy's stupid, bro.
That's why I showed them in the first place. Save those from our temporary surface when we create it.
Okay. So as the surface here. Because it already. Is it gonna have the same issue?
It's gonna make it a lot easier on us.
Yeah, of course.
So now that we have these saved, I can use proper width and height values in here and not waste any more taking time.
So my question is, oh, why is it stuck? Hello? What is it? What? Fortnite, yes. Is there a problem with this?
Let's get a look at it. Here we go, words on the screen, and then our game starts out.
H. Label. W. Fortnite. What is the issue? Why did this create an issue? Did he not do the exact same thing?
And then state struct, label width, label height.
That's what I did.
Save those. That's what I showed them in the first place. Save those from our temporary surface when we create it. So make things a lot easier on us.
That's
so
what I'm doing.
Saved, I can use proper width and height values in here. I'm not wasting them.
For some reason 240 is good. Why is it stuck now? It's just stuck. What is going on?
Taking time. Let's get a look at it. Here we go, words on the screen, and then our game starts after a few seconds. That's exactly what I want to see. To make this more like a Mario status screen, not just showing words, I'm going to show our man to the left of it, and then an X, and then the number of lives he has left. And the way I'm going to pull that off is I'm going to copy our code.
Oh my fucking god. What is wrong with this? Why does this not work now? You know what? I'm just gonna... Yeah, these don't exist anymore. I know it's supposed to be better, but... has happened? Did I change anything here? This is the only thing I changed. Why does adding that create an issue? Why does adding that create an issue? Why does adding this create an issue?
Something about it. Here we so
Maybe it's because it's int label W label H. There you go. Let's go gambling. Oh, damn it. Damn it. And then it gets stuck. Why? Why does this create this issue? Why does this create this issue? Maybe anonymous non-seek pedal. There. Okay, maybe you want it like this. Right? Maybe this. No. It just doesn't like when I call an int. Why? Why? Why is there this issue? Why is there an issue like this? Why is there an issue like this? What the fuck? Ugh. He did int label W label H, and he put them both there.
That's what I should have done in the first place. Save those from our temporary surface and then we create it.
And he just does that, and it was working fine. But to me, it just doesn't work. Int something. Int something. I don't know why it doesn't. 3D build. Image. Why? Why? What is the issue? What is the issue? Why? Maybe I should make it a... If I make it a float, is it gonna be fine? It has an issue. Whenever I add it, it just has an issue. Why? Leading to it. I guess I have to initialize it. So maybe I have to do this. No, it still has that issue. Why? Why? Yo, man. What?
when we create it.
GJ Shred.
Label height, first place. So make things a lot easier on us. So now that we have these saved, I can use proper width and height values in here and not waste any more freaking time. Let's get a look at it. Here we go, words on the screen, and then our game starts after a few seconds. It's exactly what I want to do. To see. To make this more like a Mario status screen, not just showing words. I'm going to show our man to the left of it, and then an X, and then the number of lives he has left. And the way I'm going to pull that off is I'm going to copy our code, which draws the man from our original do-render method, or function. When I say the word method, I mean function. Those words are used interchangeably a lot in programming, especially in object-oriented programming. So let me go ahead and find our draw to the man call, and I'm going to draw. So let me go ahead and find our draw to the man call. programming. So let me go ahead and find our draw to the man call, and I'm going to draw him right here in the way. I do that. It's nice to have all this stuff accessible. The easiest way that I can think to draw him is not to use his man XY position, because that'll draw him where he would have been on the game screen, but to draw him very similarly to the same spot of the center of the screen. So I'm just going to see what this looks like.
Tango.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that works perfectly. How does it know that it's the... Oh, you just have to make another one. Okay, I'll keep it as this right now.
Looks like there he is. He needs to be more to the left, so I'm just going to subtract 40 off of this position. A little bit more. Perfect. And then I'm going to bring the words down. Oh, that's perfect. Can't get much better than that. And then, as you can see, words does not say X the number of lives you have. So the way we're going to pull that off is when we generate the label. Actually, I just realized that our construct doesn't even have lives field, it has life. So I'm going to change life to lives. And then when we initialize him, we're going to give him 3 lives. So, then inside our init function, lives is 3. And then inside our init function. So inside our init function, lives is 3. And now we're going to use printf, but we're not going to print f to the screen, we're going to print f to a string. So first I'm going to declare the string, which is used by declare init array, and I know we don't need more than 128 characters, so that'll do it. Start that blank. And then we're going to ask printf, not printf. By ask printf, the first argument is the string we're printfing to, and then the string that we are generating, just as if we were calling printf. And printf not, so that'll do it. So started out blank, and then we're going to ask printf, not printf. By ask printf, the first argument is the string we're printfing to, and then the string that we are generating, just as if we were calling printf. And I think you can guess what's going to happen here. We're going to go man.lives and render that into our string. I actually forgot that %u is for unsigned short, or for signed short. I'm not really sure if this is the right one. Well, you know what? Well, I'll just pass it in %. So now that I've done that, I got our string specially rendered that I can pass right in, and there's our Mario status string, which actually looks quite cool. Which actually looks quite cool.
What the fuck? How does that work? Oh my god, I don't even know what the fuck is going on. Ninja. Like, of course it's not gonna print.
Quite cool.
It's printf, stota, game man lives, int. Hang on. It's gonna do nothing. Yeah, of course.
Just thinking I was going to bring those words a little closer to him. Really quick.
Huh? What has he done here? Oh, okay, what? Oh, he's put this. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess we can just do. Just have to do this. So x3. No, this is not the thing. This is the thing. A little bit. Okay. Okay, sure, fine, that works. Jesus. Goodbye. Now we play Terraria again. See ya in the next stream.